Hello, investors! One of the best advantages traders and investors can have is investing in stocks or other equities that are performing better than the overall market. In this video, we'll go over the relative strength indicator and how it can be used to increase your chances of having a successful investment. Watch till the end to see how to add this valuable indicator to your chart. Relative strength investing is the focus on investing in stocks or other assets that are performing better than the broader market. This is a daily chart for a stock in a beautiful uptrend. This is Thinkorswim's indicator for relative strength. The relative strength indicator can instantly let you know if the stock is outperforming the overall market. The red line represents the overall market, the S&P 500. The green line represents the stock. If the green line is above the red line, the stock is outperforming the overall market. This stock has relative strength. Relative weakness is when stocks or other assets are performing worse than the overall market. Here's the daily chart for a stock in an obvious downtrend. Let's check and see how this stock is performing in relation to the overall market. Looking at the relative strength indicator, the green line is below the red line. This means this stock is performing worse than the overall market. This stock has relative weakness. This is the daily chart for the S&P 500 in July 2022. Notice that the overall market is in a downtrend. For longer-term investors, this is a good time to find stocks that are performing better than the overall market. The best way to do this is to find a sector that has relative strength. On the left is the daily chart for the overall market. On the right is XLC, the ETF for the communications sector. Both are in a serious downtrend. The communications sector is performing worse than the overall market. We don't want to look for companies in this sector. On the right is XLF, the ETF for the financial sector. It is also in a downtrend. It is underperforming the overall market. The financial sector doesn't meet the criteria of having relative strength. On the right is XLV, the ETF for the healthcare sector. Notice the sideways price action while the overall market is in a downtrend. This sector seems to have relative strength. The green line is above the red line. This is confirmation of it having relative strength. The next step is to find a company within the healthcare sector that is performing well. On the right is United Health Group, the company with the largest market cap in the healthcare sector. It is in a strong uptrend, while the overall market is in a strong downtrend. Not only is United Health Group outperforming the overall market, it is also outperforming the healthcare sector. From a technical standpoint, United Health Group would be a good candidate for a long-term investment. Relative strength can also be used by day traders on a much shorter time frame. On the left is the intraday 5-minute chart for the S&P 500 on July 26, 2022. On the right is the 5-minute chart for the Campbell Soup Company on the same day. When the market opens for the day, the overall market is in a downtrend. At the same time, Campbell's Soup Company is in a significant uptrend. On this day, Campbell's Soup Company had relative strength. If you're a short-term investor who likes to buy and sell equities on the same day, this is an example of how relative strength can be used to increase profits on a shorter time frame. Most trading platforms have some version of a relative strength indicator. If you have the Thinkorswim trading platform, you can add the relative strength indicator by clicking on the glass icon. Then search for relative strength. Click Apply. The relative strength indicator should be at the bottom of your chart. Those were just a few examples of how using relative strength can give investors an edge over the market. If you enjoy this type of content on investing, please like and check out more videos on the channel.